What is Kotlin? Kotlin is a general-purpose programming language originally developed and unveiled as Project Kotlin by JetBrains in 2011. The first version was officially released in 2016. It is interoperable with Java and supports functional programming languages. Kotlin is used extensively for Android apps, web application, desktop application, and server-side application development. Kotlin was built to be better than Java, and people who use this language are convinced. Most of the Google applications are based on Kotlin. Some companies using Kotlin as their programming language include Coursera, Pinterest, Postmates, among many others. Kotlin developers earn an average of $136,000 a year, with the potential to earn up to $171,500. Level, intermediate to advanced. Skills needed: prior experience with programming languages, particularly Java. Platform: web, mobile, desktop, server. Popularity among programmers: increasingly popular, used for Android applications. Benefits: less code-heavy than Java and other languages, relatively easy to adopt, fully compatible with Java. Downsides: fluctuating compilation speed, no static keyword in Kotlin. Degree of use: widely used, highly applicable. Annual salary projection: $136,000. Dear friend, if you like this video, kindly make sure to subscribe to our channel and also press the bell icon so that you stay informed about all our upcoming latest videos. Keep watching Protech Computer Education. Thank you.